Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey, we are the students from Cavite State University main campus, College of Nursing. Today, we are going to teach you on how to use the walker.
Ambulation devices are equipment that assists or aids the mobility of a person who has an injury or illness that affects the ability to walk.
Walker improves stability in patients with lower extremity weakness or poor balance, and they facilitated improved mobility by increasing patients' weight.
There are three types of walker: the standard walker
The wheeled walker
and the platform walker. When to use the walker.
if the patient has difficulty in walking,
If the patient has balance problems,
for support due to generalized weakness in both legs.
when weight bearing is restricted or limited in one leg. The advantages of using a walker:
Good stability,
sense of security,
easily adjusted and lightweight.
can accommodate any weight bearing status.
Disadvantages of using a walker.
Difficult to maneuver through doors of crowded places.
Eliminates arm swing
Slow speed.
and not safe to use in stairs.
Let us now identify the different parts of a walker. We have the handle grip, the walker frame, the adjustable button, and the rubber teeth. Let's start.
First thing that we have to do is to check the medical records of the patient.
Perform hand hygiene.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning. Your name, please. Hilda Marcos. I'm the overseeing your nurse education today, and I will be going to teach you how to get
You have to explain to the patient what you are going to do. If the patient is using a hospital bed, you have to adjust it to its lowest level.
While the patient is lying, measure if the walker is at proper height to her height.
Audio Jungle.
Assist the patient to sit on the side of the bed.
Audio Jungle.
Pause and allow the client to sit on the edge of the bed a few moments for her to regain her balance.
Audio Jungle.
Assist the patient in putting socks and non-slip shoes.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Apply a gait belt.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Stand in a position of good body mechanics and assist the patient to a standing position by straightening your legs as you lift with a gait belt and as the patient pushes down with her hands on the mattress.
Audio Jungle.
Instruct the patient to position her body within the frame of the walker.
Audio
Instruct the patient to move the walker forward by lifting it up, moving it forward, and setting it down.
Instruct the patient to take a step forward with a weak leg
Audio Jungle.
and move the strong leg forward.
Instruct the patient to take short steps and keep her head up with her eyes looking forward.
Audio Jungle.
Walk the patient the distance instructed by the supervisor Why wears the nurse as indicated in the service plan?
Audio Jungle.
Turn the patient where the nurse is.
Audio Jungle.
Turn the patient to the bed or to the chair. Ask the patient to step back with her strong foot. And take step back with her weak foot. Then move the walker backwards. Do it simultaneously. And ask the patient to feel the arm of the chair or the top of the mattress with her hand. Assist the patient into the chair or bed. Make sure the patient feels comfortable. In assisting the patient in climbing the stairs with a walker, we have to instruct the patient to place the tip of her feet on the edge of the stairs and place the walker on her side to serve as a guide for her as she climbs. Lift the walker up, followed by her strong legs, and then her weak legs. Do it simultaneously. Remember the principle: up with a good, down with a bad.
Audio Jungle.
Student nurse should hold the gate belt to provide safety. In assisting the patient in going down the stairs, we have to instruct the patient to put the edge of her feet on the edge of the stairs. Hold on stair rails and go down with the help of the walker on her side.
Audio Jungle.
Student nurse should be in front of the patient to provide safety.